Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Citi for IRA account update reminders, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Citi website. Navigate to the home page. Locate the login section at the top right corner. Enter your user ID and password, then click on the sign on button. Once logged in, go to the accounts section. Select IRAs from the drop-down menu. Look for the option labeled Account Updates or Notifications. Click on that option to view your preferences. In the Notifications settings, find the section for IRA Account Update Reminders. Choose the frequency of the reminders you would like to receive. Options may include weekly, monthly, or quarterly reminders. Set your preferred method of notification. You can typically choose between email, text messages, or both. After making your selections, be sure to review them for accuracy. Once you are satisfied with your settings, look for the Save button. Click Save to confirm your preferences. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated. Now, you will receive regular reminders about your IRA account updates based on your preferences. For any issues, refer to the Help section or contact customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.